Hey guys, guess what time it is? It is mail time! Just kidding. Yes, it is mail time, but I wish it was sponsored stuff. The custom Vans that I ordered about 4 weeks ago is finally here. There it is. Let's go open it. Let's see, hold on. I'm gonna need a knife. How early did you wake up today?
10.
Late o'clock?
Onion.
95. This is not sponsored.
It's not free.
It's not free. It's free shipping. Let's see. Nice bag. Gavin, look. Get a free bag too. Gavin. Dun, 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 dun.
The custom made Vans.
Who's that, Gavin? Ta-da! Finally have my own shoes. And it says, be caught. Gavin, be caught. Nice. Go check out vans.com to find out the price.
Knox.
Gavin, there, you like it? No, the whole thing's $95 because of the custom picture. But it would be $85 if you just do their colors. There it is. Nice. No, it turned out nice. Gavin, thumbs up or no? Nice. I like it. Let's see. There. OOTD with my new ow. Vans. Good job, Vans. Thumbs up. Alright. So go to vans.com if you want to make your own. Prices may vary depending on how you customize it. But anyway, that's it for this video. Bye. I'm a weird kid.